Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how we styled our laundry area using some of the products that we purchased in our previous video.
Go.
Shall I speak?
Yes. Action. Boom.
Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm just going to begin by putting everything out on the shelves and then you can like rearrange it after. Whoa.
Baby, I'm here to stay. Shout out to AJ Tracy.
Can you shut the door?
Am I just coming quickly?
Oh my god.
What do you want? Pest.
Go. Take two. Take two of the video. Oh, we got some pretty candles. How'd you feel about that?
What's wrong with you?
Do you know my hand is like totally not stabilised right now?
Oh, pause it.
What do you mean pause it?
Like cut.
Well, maybe.
Tell me when you're ready.
Done! Cut! Stop talking, thank you. Baby, I'm here to stay.
Man, but then again, it is just water.
Oh, just shut up. Sandy.
Okay.
Ew. Wait, my hand is moving.